In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the view scale in Revit. Before we start, it helps to know what we're changing. In Revit, scaling a view is not the same as scaling the model itself. You aren't shrinking walls or stretching doors, you're changing how that view is displayed and annotated, which affects things like text size, dimensions, and line weights on screen and on sheets. With that in mind, let's walk through the process clearly. First, open the view you want to scale. This could be a floor plan, a section, an elevation, or a drafting view. The easiest way is to go to the project browser, find the view by its category and name, and double-click it. Make sure the View tab is active so that any changes you make apply to this view and not to something else in the model. Next, look for the Properties palette. You'll usually find it docked on the left side of the screen. If you can't see it, don't worry. Go to the View tab on the ribbon, open the User Interface menu, and make sure Properties is checked. Also confirm that nothing is selected in the view. Click in an empty space so the Properties palette shows View Properties, not Element Properties. Now in the Properties palette, find the parameter labeled View Scale. It's typically near the top of the list, right under Identity Data and Extents, depending on your version and interface layout. If you don't see it, that's a sign something is selected. Click off again to return to the view's properties. Open the View Scale dropdown and choose the scale that suits your purpose. Common options include 1/100, 150, or 120. As you pick, think about the deliverable. Larger scales like 120 show more detail and make annotations appear larger. Smaller scales like 100 are better for overall layout and make annotations appear smaller. Remember, the model geometry isn't changing size, only the way this view represents it. Consider how this view will fit on a sheet and whether it needs to align with other views' scales for consistency. Finally, click Apply at the bottom of the Properties palette. The view will update instantly. Take a moment to review. Check that text, tags, and dimensions are legible, that line weights read correctly, and that the view will fit comfortably on your intended sheet. If annotations feel too crowded or too sparse, simply return to the View Scale dropdown and try a different option until it looks right. That's all you need to confidently change the view scale in Revit.